Hello everyone, if you want to see how I made this beautiful headband, keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a very simple and easy headband. So I'm gonna head to cut out my fabric, but I'm going to tell us the length and width I'm using. This all depends on the child's hair or your client's hair. So that's that. So for this, the width and the length is 7 inches, and then the width is 6 inches. Then for this long piece here, the length is about 45 inches, and then the width is 3 inches. I hope you can see it. 3 inches. Then for this little one here, the length is about 3 inches, and then the width is 1 inches. Then for the elastic band I'm using, the elastic band, the width is 16 and a half, and then the width is 1 inch. You know there are different types of elastic band, so anyone you want to use, that's one of the ½ inch, 1 inch, and so on and so forth. So it all depends on the one you want to use. So that's that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to keep the elastic band aside. I'm not going to use it yet. So for this, what I'll do is, for this one now, okay, let me shift this one now. What I'm going to do is, we know this is the length and this is the width. So what I'll do is, I'm going to fold this. When I fold it, I'll go ahead and sew from here to here and from here to here. I'm going to leave a small opening that I'll use to turn it to the right side. You know I'm sewing on the wrong side. So after sewing it and leaving this a little space here, so I'll also go ahead and, you know, it's going to be like this. Then I'll turn it to the, I'll place it like this, you know. Then close up here, I'll sew from here to here down, from here to here down, and after that we'll be left with only this small opening I left earlier. So that's the opening I'll use to turn it to the right side. So that's that. And then for this, what I'm going to do is to just fold it like this and then sew on the wrong side of the fabric. I'll just sew it straight, and after sewing it straight, I'll now turn it to the right side of the fabric. But don't forget that when turning it over, make sure that, like for this one, you notch, especially this one, you notch, so that after turning it, it's going to be, you know, smooth. It won't have, like, you know, rough edges. So that's that. And also for this, I also do the same. I'll just turn the wrong side, just sew it a little bit, and then turn it. So let me go to the sewing machine and do that. You see, after sewing here, I left the space here and also sew there. So what I'll do is just to, you know, do it like this, then sew here and sew here. You see it go? So after sewing here and here, so this opening now, I'll now use it to turn it over. So as you can see, I finished sewing it, as you can see. So the next is to notch around this area. So that's what I'll do next. Just let it be a little bit close to where you sew. I'm going to do that, you know, here, from here to here. And also this one too, I'll also do the same. I'm going to notch it. And then this one too, I'm going to notch it. So after notching it, I'm going to do that behind the camera, because I don't want to take much of our time. So after notching it, what you now do is to open it. So let me notch it and then I'll show you how to turn it. So after notching, the next thing is to turn it like this. So the next thing is to go and give it a very good press. I'm going to, press it like this. I'm going to press it. This one too, I'm going to press it. And this one too, I'm going to press it. So let me go and give it a very good press. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to give it a very good press. You can see I've given it a very good press. So next thing, I'm going to take the elastic band and safety pin like this. Then I'll insert it here. So the next thing is just to sew here, sew here. So after sewing these two places separately, you also come and sew here. You join them. So I hope you understand what I mean. So for this, what I'm going to do is like this. Make sure you arrange it properly. Then you hold it. You see it. You use your needle to join it. So the next is to this little one here. You also sew it. You can sew it on your sewing machine, or you can also use the needle to sew it. So you see it. So make sure you sew it very, very tight. So the next is to cut out the excess. So when you cut out the excess, then you bring back the elastic band. I've also sewed the elastic band. You can see the place I sewed it. After sewing it separate, I joined it, then separated it and sew it so that it's going to, be smooth. So next thing is, make sure you adjust it very well so that it won't show. So after that, you place it and then tack. So you can see the way it looks. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends so till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.